To start your review of your materials and methods section, the first thing you're going to do is make sure that you have your new document and set up in Times New Roman font size 12. And then you are going to save your project as materials and methods. There's some key things that you need to do when you're talking about materials and methods. First of all, everything has to be very clearly written so that other people can follow the directions, and it has to be written in third person. Third person means that you're going to use words like they, them, he, she, we. That's third person. So to start the materials and methods, you also have to include your hypothesis in this section. So you're going to start that with if she tests fishing line, then the weight measurements will be accurate because they have been tested for that weight. So your hypothesis should come from your plan that you did at the beginning, and it must be written in the if, then, because system. And how you put this in your materials and methods so it flows well, you would write to test the following hypothesis. Whoops. Ooh, I got all kinds of problems today. She needed to get a variety, or needed the following supplies. First, instead of she needed, she developed. How about that? She developed the following procedure. First, she purchased supplies to conduct the experiment. She needed 3 fishing lines, 3 metric weights. Now this is the key here. Because this is a science experiment, all of your measurements should be done in metrics. So don't tell me I needed 3 5-pound weights. You got to tell me how many kilograms that 5 pounds is, because it has to be in metrics. And a stopwatch. We'll just put that on there. Okay. Next, she developed a procedure to conduct the actual experiment. First, next, second, etc. Use those transition words to lead me through the experiment, but it should be written so that I can duplicate your experiment without actually having known what you were doing. So be very, very specific in your steps. At the very end, lastly, to evaluate the accuracy of her experiment, she ran a t-test to analyze the data. So all of you are required to do some sort of a accuracy or precision measurement, which to do that, if you go to the website, under SAE, there should be, oh shoot, I'm going to have to put, it's not on here yet, but there will be on here a statistical analysis link that tells you how to do the statistical analysis portion. And otherwise, Mrs. Williamson will certainly help you with that statistical analysis as well, so that you can put in your t-test results. And that statistical analysis we will talk about tomorrow as part of the results section and the discussion and conclusion, which will take a little bit longer to do, but by all means you can feel free to move ahead once you have your materials and methods section complete.